If you are watching me, that means one of our 5M project members shared this with you. It could be because you showed interest in making cash flow and an ongoing stream of income. It could be because you are a team member in one of our many income streams we are in. Lastly, but far from the least, someone spotted you and we saw potential in you. We want to help you blow up. Whether this is your day 1 or day 10,000, it does not matter. The only thing that matters is, would you like to earn money daily on autopilot, and do you want our help? We are going to teach you how to self-monetize yourself starting right now.
It starts with a move that costs you nothing. For a limited time, we're inviting you to join our Success Bootcamp, starting May 20th. This isn't just about reaching that first $10,000 milestone. It's about showing you how to replicate that success over and over again. Imagine the impact on your life when daily and instant earnings become your new normal, providing a level of income security most only dream of. With our free marketing system, you're not just earning, you're learning how to navigate through the low, mid, and high-ticket arenas, creating multiple streams of income that work for you. This system, created by Mr. Leverage himself, is designed to market itself, freeing you to focus on what matters most: your growth and success. Why are we doing this? Because we know the transformative power of having a reliable cash flow system, and we want to share it with you. If you're ready for a change and ready to take action, this is your moment. Join us before May 20th and gain access to tools and resources that will set this cash flow system on autopilot. Below you have two links. The one to the left will share more with you about us and how we can help. The second will take you directly to the system you get without our help directly. Whichever path works for you, everyone wins here. Take action today, and you could be $25 richer in minutes, with the potential to earn $75 over and over again. But that's not all. Our Facebook group is a community like no other, a place where everyone, from newcomers to seasoned pros, can find support, answers, and encouragement. Here, we take the pressure off your inviter, handling all questions and ensuring no one is left behind. You're not just joining a program, you're becoming part of a movement. Claim your free marketing system and cash flow machine. Dive into our Facebook group and secure your spot in our Success Bootcamp. With a system like this, cash flow is a choice. Take action.